According to the Department of Homeland Security, American dollars should not be used to subsidize foreign economies. 4 years of open borders under the Biden administration allowed 6% of all Haitians to enter our country illegally. Not only have our oppressors destroyed the island of Haiti for over a century, not only have they robbed Haiti of its gold, its resources, not only have they imposed on us a treaty where the Haitian government had to use its money in order to pay Citibank, in order to pay the rich and wealthy of the U.S. Now, Haitians in the United States are being targeted to not be able to send their loved ones in Haiti funds that they've earned from their hard working labor after they done pay their taxes. This is inhumane what is happening here. These people claim to follow Jesus Christ. America is a Christian country, if you did not know. This is a beast. This is not a humane person. This is not somebody who has any compassion. They cannot even consider the destruction that they cause to the Haitian people. Bill Clinton alone, he admitted to be the sole reason why the Haitian agriculture is destroyed. He admitted it, which means that the reason the Haitian need the money in the first place is because of what the presidents in the United States have done to the Haitian people. However, we are dealing with a beast. We are dealing with a devil. This is why it is important for us, Haitians, to return to our power, man. Only the Most High God can help us with this animal, because this is a beast who cannot consider no one else but themselves. They cannot consider our pain. They do not see what is happening in Haiti. And they claim the people that Biden allowed to come here to the U.S. with U.S. documents, now they are claiming that they are illegal, that they came here illegally. This is the reason why the Bible says the words of his mouth are smoother than butter, but in his heart it is nothing but war. In the book of Psalms, these people know nothing but war. Even when we are at peace with them, the Haitian people are in the U.S. to give their loved ones a better life. And the reason why the Haitian people on the island of Haiti depend so much on the diaspora, the reason why the diaspora in the United States sent over $6 billion to Haiti, is because of the destruction caused by our oppressors. Our oppressors are devils. These people are inhumane. These people are snakes. They do not consider the pain that they cause us. Haitians, we are God's chosen people. When you read in the Bible the suffering that the Israelites went through, that is you. That is us. This is the reason why it's happening to us. Because of who we are. And they know it. They know who we are. We are God's chosen people. And it is their job to do exactly what you see them doing. Which means what? You also have a job to do. It is our job to return to our power, the God of Israel, because we will not have to lift one finger to do anything to our oppressors. The God of Israel will defend us. It is time for us to return to the moral code that he gave us to live as a people. Brotherhood is our only weapon. Haitians, gather together. Shalom.